Hello students, today we are reading the language topic of your grammar book, that is preposition. So here you can see the definition of preposition is given in the beginning. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun, a pronoun and the other words in a sentence. So basically the preposition, I'm telling you, listen to my words very properly. Pre plus position. Okay, so the terms which are telling you about the position of the noun or the pronoun are called preposition. Fine, so I have told you very clearly that preposition are basically which tells us about the position of noun or pronoun, and you must know this thing that the noun or the pronoun can be your subject or your object. Fine, so here you can see the first example which is given in the red block. Rima's house is located near the temple. So here you can see that Rima's house is the noun. Fine, it means your subject is located, which is located near the temple. So it is telling about the position of the subject. Okay, so the subject is Rima's house, which is located near the temple. Then after, there are some relations shown by a preposition has been given. So we'll read it. Before that, you make it very clear that the prepositions are telling us the relation in between the noun and pronoun and the other subject. It means it is telling us about the position of the noun or pronoun. Fine, so it is very clear now. So now students, I'm telling you about some types of the preposition. Now here you can see preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of movement, preposition of manner, preposition of purpose, preposition of possession, preposition of then after preposition of similarity or comparison, and then after the preposition of source. So now in the first one is preposition of time, where definitely, so now here students, as you can see the type of prepositions given. So there are 8 types of preposition: time, place, movement, manner, purpose, possession, comparison or similarity, and then after source. So here you can see the first example, time. Nalini will return on Monday. Fine, so there is a talk of time. Next is place. Kapil is waiting in the park. So definitely he is talking about the position of the subject by the reference of place. Next is movement. Smith is going towards Seth's house. So again the talk of subject's position towards Seth's house. Okay, so again it is a talk of position. Next is possession. See, I am using two terms, position and possession. So what is the meaning of possession? When we speak it like this na, he is very possessive. So possessive means apna batana. Okay, for being telling something mine. Okay, so now here you can see the leg of the round table. So it is definitely the possession, because whose leg? The leg of round table is broken. Next is purpose. Purpose means, the reason why the things are happening. So Twinkle went to Darjeeling for a vacation. Okay, so purpose is vacation. Next is manner. He comes to office by bus. So this is a preposition of manner. Next is similarity or comparison. So Manju looks like her grandmother. So definitely it is compared. Next is source. The gift was given to the boy by his parents. So now here you can see the talk of source. So I think now that you must have cleared the 8 types of prepositions. See, I'm not saying that these are the only types of preposition, like on will only used for the time, but I am telling you that there are 8 types of preposition which can be identified, but the terms will definitely be different terms, as in this on, in, towards. So there will be many more like that which we will be reading ahead. So here students, we are reading first of all the preposition of direction or movement, which we have read also in our 8 types, that the preposition of direction or movement is there. Now you can see here some of the prepositions given and their examples are also given in front of them. So I am reading the first one, across. Across, there is a little problem with the bridge across the river. So where something is crossing, okay, so it is a type of movement, fine. So the bridge has a movement, fine, because it is crossing the river. So there is a little problem with the bridge across the river. Next is after. The gardener broke his slippers running after the children. So now here you can see again the preposition is used for the movement, that the gardener. As I told you that the prepositions always tell us about the position of the subject or the object. So here you can see the gardener is our subject and it is the subject is only running after the children. So it is telling about the position and about the movement also. The next is along. The children ran along the road to meet their cousin. So along, side by side, which is moving, okay. So long, here you can learn it by the term long. Long means lamba, so which is moving, okay. Along with it means side by side, fine. So next is at. At is the journalist threw the shoe at the minister. So here you can see that at we use as in a form of preposition of place also, fine, for preposition of time also, and here we are using it for the movement, fine, that the journalist threw the shoe. So the shoe is what? Your object. I told you that the position of subject or object. So the shoe at the minister. So where did he throw it? He threw it at the minister. Then next is for. So for is used for purpose as well as for movement. So here for purpose, all these pilgrims are heading for Sabarimala, fine, Shabrimala I think. So this is again for the movement. Next is into. Champu jumped into the river on seeing Sheru. So again into means when there is into का मतलब होता है like something which is moving under something ना. So under means होता है कि something which is stabilized over there, and into when the thing is moving. Next is onto. Onto is again you can see the monkey climbed onto the branch seeing the crocodile. So movement वाला condition and which is up, ओके जो ऊपर की तरफ हो, जो नीचे की तरफ मूवमेंट होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड इनटू. नेक्स्ट इज टू. बिल्लू एंड पिंकी वर गोइंग टू द अंकल्स हाउस tomorrow, fine. So here again there is a talk of to. Here is used for movement. Next is towards. So towards we know what is toward. The jubilant crowd is running toward the captain. So running towards the captain, it means again there is a talk of movement. So I suppose that that the preposition of direction and the movement is 100% clear to you till here.